Hello, dear friends. Whether you are from America or anywhere else in the world, there is a 99.99% chance you're pronouncing at least one US state wrong, maybe even more than one. And trust me, nothing feels worse than confidently saying a state name and realizing you have been saying it wrong your whole life. Let's pronounce all the 50 states correctly once and for all. So, let's go. Number 1. Alabama. You gotta stress on the third syllable. Alabama. 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 Number 2. Alaska. Stress on the second syllable. On last sound. Alaska. 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 Number 3. Arizona. You gotta stress on the third syllable. On Z sound. Arizona. Arizona. Number 4. Arkansas. See, this word is a little bit tricky one. You gotta stress on the very first syllable, R, and the last S isn't pronounced, okay? So, Arkansas, Arkansas. That's it. Number 5. California, California. You gotta stress on the third syllable, on poor sound, California, California. Next, number 6. Colorado, Colorado. And stress on the third syllable, on ra sound, Colorado, Colorado, Colorado. Number 7. Connecticut, Connecticut. This T turns into D sound, so Connecticut. And the last T is blended with D sound. Connecticut, Connecticut. That's it. Next, number 8. Delaware. You gotta stress on the very first syllable. Delaware, 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 Delaware. That's it. Next, number 9. Florida. Stress on the first syllable. Florida, Florida. Number 10. Georgia, Georgia. Stress on the first syllable. Georgia, Georgia, Georgia. Next, 11. Hawaii. You gotta stress on the middle syllable. Hawaii, Hawaii. Next, 12. Idaho, Idaho. Stress on the first syllable. Idaho, Idaho, Idaho. Next, number 13. Illinois, Illinois. Stress on the very last syllable. So there is a S at the very end of the word, but you shouldn't make the S sound. Its pronunciation is Illinois, Illinois, Illinois. That's it. Next, number 14. Indiana. Stress on the third syllable. On A sound. Indiana, Indiana, Indiana. Next, number 15. Iowa, Iowa. Stress on the first syllable. Iowa. That's it. Next, number 16. Kansas. See, it's not Kansas, it's Kansas, and not Zaz. It's a little bit A sound. Z. Okay? So, Kansas, Kansas. The stress on the first syllable. On Kansas, Kansas, Kansas. Next, number 17. Kentucky. The stress on the middle syllable. On ta syllable. Kentucky, Kentucky, Kentucky. That's it. Next, number 18. Louisiana, Louisiana. Next, number 19. Maine. Here is only one syllable, so Maine. That's it. Next, number 20. Maryland. Stress on the first syllable. Mare. Len. So Maryland. Maryland. So next, 21. And I think this one is the most confusing and tricky state name. And while you pronounce the state name, you gotta stress on the third syllable. Massachusetts. 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 The last is blended to a little bit D sound, so Massachusetts. Massachusetts. Number 22. Michigan. Michigan. Stress on the first syllable. Michigan. Michigan. It's not gun, it's gun. Michigan. Michigan. Next, number 23. Minnesota. Minnesota. Stress on the third syllable. So. And the last it turns into D sound. The. So, Minnesota. 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 Number 24. Mississippi. Stress on the third syllable. On sip sound. Mississippi. Mississippi. That's it. Next, number 25. Missouri. Missouri. This S turns into Z sound, so Missouri. Missouri. Stress on the middle syllable, on Z sound, so Missouri. Missouri. Next, number 26. Montana. You get a stress on the middle syllable, on 10 sound, so Montana. Montana. That's it. Next, number 27. Nebraska. Nebraska. Stress on the middle syllable, on brass sound, Nebraska. Nebraska. Next, number 28. Nevada. See, it's not ne. Pronounce the first syllable as n. Very shortly. Stress on the middle syllable, ba. The P turns into B sound, so Nevada. 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 That's it. Next, 29. New Hampshire. New Hampshire. You gotta stress on ham syllable, so New Hampshire. New Hampshire. New Hampshire. Number 30. New Jersey. New Jersey. You gotta stress on the first syllable of the second word, on zer. New Jersey. Next, 31. New Mexico. New Mexico. You gotta stress on the first syllable of the second word, Mac. New Mexico. New Mexico. Next, number 32. And I think everybody pronounces this word correctly, and it's New York. Stress on the last syllable, New York. Next, number 33. North Carolina. North Carolina. You gotta stress on the last syllable, North Carolina. That's it. Next, number 34. North Dakota. North Dakota. While you pronounce the second word, you gotta stress on the second syllable, Dakota. And the last T turns into a little bit D sound, Dakota. Okay? So, North Dakota. North Dakota. Next, number 35. Ohio. Stress on the middle syllable, on high sound, Ohio. 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 Next, number 36. Oklahoma. It's not ho, it's and that's the stress syllable. You should stress there. Oklahoma. Oklahoma. Next, number 37. Oregon. Oregon. You gotta stress on the first syllable, Oregon. Oregon. Next, number 38. Pennsylvania. Stress on the third syllable, on B sound. Here is the P letter, but in American accent, in most of the cases, the P turns into B sound, so it's Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania. Next, number 39. Rhode Island. Rhode Island. Number 40. South Carolina. South Carolina. Number 41. South Dakota. South Dakota. South Dakota. Next, number 42. Tennessee. And stress on the third syllable, on C sound, Tennessee. 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 Next, number 43. Texas. Stress on the first syllable, Texas. It's not sus, it's sis. Okay? So, Texas. Texas. Next, number 44. Utah. Utah. Stress on U sound, Utah. Utah. Next, 45. Vermont. Vermont. And remember, while you pronounce the second syllable, you should make a T sound at the end of the word. Okay? So, Vermont. 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 Next, number 46. Virginia. P turns into B sound, and you should stress on the middle syllable, on Z. Virginia. 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 Next, number 47. Washington. Stress on the first syllable, Washington. Not done. It's then. Washington. Washington. Next, number 48. West Virginia. West Virginia. West Virginia. Next, number 49. Wisconsin. Wisconsin. Stress on the middle syllable, on con sound, Wisconsin. Wisconsin. That's it. Next, number 50. Wyoming. Wyoming. You gotta stress on the middle syllable, on O sound, Wyoming. 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 That's it. So, dear friends, these are the correct pronunciation of all the 50 states names of the United States of America. If you found the video a little bit helpful in improving your pronunciation, then hit like. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative pronunciation tutorial, then subscribe to the channel right now. So, see you soon in the next video with another helpful pronunciation tutorial. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.